Hello, and today we will draw Hazel Ying Lee. Hazel Ying Lee was the first Chinese American woman to fly for the United States military. She delivered planes so other pilots could use them for training or missions. Hazel was known for her courage and love of flying, inspiring many future pilots. We are going to draw her inside of her plane. So let's start off with the propeller by making a curved line like this. Then another one like this that goes down a little bit. And then another curved line like this. A horizontal line here. Then a curved line. All right, let's make a circle in the center. All right, let's make a horizontal line here. A vertical line here and a vertical line here. And let's make a horizontal line here to connect. And using an imaginary line as if it's continuing, make a curved line like this. Okay, let's draw the landing gear. Here's a diagonal line like this. Then go down a little bit like this. Then come up to the front engine. Now this is an old-fashioned plane. Okay, let's make a diagonal line here like this. Then come down. Then come up like this. Okay, let's make tires. So we will make a thin circle like this on one side and a thin circle on the other side. Okay, let's connect these two sides. So let's make a horizontal line here like this. Then another parallel line here. All right, let's make the lower wing of the plane. You can use a ruler if you like. And then let's do the other side. And then let's come up just a little bit like this. One here, one side here like this to match. Then come into the motor of the plane. And then let's do the other side. So let's draw Hazel, and we need space above the front part of the plane. So we want to make sure we draw her face a little bit, I have about 2 inches or so. So we will make a U shape like this. Next, we will make a curved line from here to here. Next, let's make her helmet. So I'm making a curved line here around her face from one end to the other. And let's make her goggles a curved line like this, and then another one like this for her eyewear. And then let's make one inside like this and one like this. All right, let's make her eyes 2 rainbow shapes like this. A dot underneath. And let's make her eyebrows a U shape for the nose. And let's give her a smile. Okay, let's make a rectangle underneath her head that goes to the front end of her plane. And let's make a V shape like this. And then let's go down like this, a vertical line. And let's make a curved line like this on one side for her arm and another one like this. So she's behind the plane flying. All right, let's make the upper wing of the plane. And so we want to make sure that it's above Hazel. And so we want to make a horizontal line above her like this. And you can use a ruler if you want to make sure you have perfect straight lines. I should be using a ruler right now. And just make sure that it's the same length as the lower wing. And then you want to go up just a little bit like this. And then connect, make parallel lines. I recommend a ruler. I should be using a ruler right now. So now we want to connect the upper wing and the lower wing. So not on the edge, but just a little bit off from the edge. Make a vertical line like this. And then another one like this. And then we want to do the other side as well. A little bit off to the edge. This is why I should be using a ruler. And then moving over a little bit here, the same as the other side. So we want to make a parallel line here. So we are done drawing Hazel with her plane. She's flying, so let's add some clouds. So I would put some clouds here, some wavy lines like this. Okay, so we are done drawing Hazel Ying Lee. As you can see, the colors that I use on my left. I hope you had fun learning about her and drawing. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.